Hello and welcome, and I can tell you it was a dry walk to the gantry today, no rain in sight. I'm Derek Ray, getting ready to bring you all the action, accompanied by my broadcasting partner, Stuart Robson. And with the atmosphere really building up nicely, we should be in for a terrific contest. How's it going to go, Stuart?
Well, thanks, Derek. The best coach I played under would always tell us before kick-off, earn the right to play. If you can win your individual battles, outrun your opponent, eventually you'll get the space to show your ability. I'm sure that's being echoed by the coaches here today.
Will it be Harry Kane? In it goes! That will do nicely for starters. First goal of the game.
Well, here's the replay, and it all starts with the delivery into the box, just begging someone to get on the end of it, and it's a great finish. He holds off the defender, keeps his composure, and finds the back of the net. It's a marvellous goal.
1-0 then. Eusebio. Grimaldo with it. Defensive Brazilians to shut them down. Jairzinho. Harry Kane. Now Harry Kane on the move, but nothing comes of it. Dalglish. Snyder. Lesmelu. Decent effort there.
Well, he has such good technique. He really did hit that well. He certainly came close there.
Gianluca Zambrotta. Kane. On the ball, Ballack. Good work to regain possession. Likes to run with the ball at his feet. Oh, he's only gone and found the net! What purity of hit! Caught it absolutely perfectly!
Well, look at the replay here, because they don't come much better than this. He hits it so sweetly. What a goal this is.
So back underway. They've levelled it at 1-1 here. Zanetti. Zinedine Zidane. Javier Zanetti. Plenty of support here. A chance to nudge in front. Corner kick here. Mikael Ballack. And a goal to re-establish their advantage. Just look at the celebrations.
Well, here it is again, and what a perfect cross into the box this is. Just inviting someone to attack it, but there's still plenty to do from here. He hits it so well, though. Lots of pace, lots of power, and the keeper just can't react in time. It's a great strike.
Well, back underway as we reflect on the goal that's made it 2-1. A chance then for the respective managers to address their charges. It is half-time here. So back underway here into the second half. Grimaldo. Now will they be able to play it in behind the defence? Cleared away. Javier Zanetti. Jairzinho. Ballack. Now Harry Kane. Now with Jairzinho. Well, they get the ball once more. Gavi. Zambrotta. Modric. On the ball, Ballack. Jairzinho! And there it is, the goal they wanted for security. They lead by 2 now. They can breathe that bit more easily.
Well, just look at his strength here. He holds off the challenge, he keeps his balance, and he finds the back of the net. It's a wonderful goal.
Well, the action continues, and no shortage of goals. 3-1 as things stand. Grimaldo. Zidane on the ball. Gavi. Excellent use of the ball as they make their way forward. Well, it's a very attractive passing sequence. Well, the goalkeeper doing what he's paid to do. So a personnel change then. And Kohler gets it out of there. Just 10 minutes to go. Plenty of support here. Well, they've given him too much space. Zinedine Zidane. Kane. Modric. And that will be all for this game. Defeat for the visitors. That's the big story.
Well, Derek, they weren't at their best today, both as individuals and as a team. And they didn't deserve anything from the game. Need a much better display next time out.